Hello, my name's Kev from Data Sites, and you have now automated your Xero data, and you can put it into any reporting tool you want, and supposedly off you go. But here's the kicker. In order to really simplify your reporting and to really gain value, to make reporting for your business users and end users and stakeholders, super enjoyable, easy, all the rest of it, we need to tailor that data to your specific business purpose. Now, everyone knows, yes, profit and loss and balance sheet, but everybody wants to see their data in a different way, and that way changes over time. So what I'm going to show you quickly is how we ensure that we do that in a simple, performant, maintenance-free, and scalable way. A lot of big words. Let's get stuck into it. So whether you want to produce Power BI reports, such as this one here, look, we do have this template for you to download if you want to. But at the end of the day, everybody who sort of downloads it, and any templates for that matter, go, yes, but we want to see this, this, and this. Okay, fantastic. And the same with our Excel consolidation. In Excel, this is just embedded in a website, but we have a template here, which shows how we can consolidate data from multiple Xero entities, and then various XLOOKUP, sum ifs, etc., go into profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow, along with console adjustments, eliminations, budget summaries, etc. So this is all possible. Yes, we have a template, but there is something key and underlying here that is going to guarantee success, and that is SQL Views. So super technical. If you're bored, turn off. Just ask me for a layman's version on chat, but if you're interested, carry on. So when you get access to your data, you're not going to have one or two Xero tables. You're going to have loads of Xero tables. So what we do is we work with you, and you say, and all that really means is say, hey, Kev, we want to produce this. I'm like, well, show me what this is. And I say, cool. Well, we could get that information from about 7 or 8 different tables, pull that into Excel, pull that into Power BI, do all these complicated joins, which result in poor performance reports, results in sometimes frustration, and it's just too complex, and it's not the way it wants to be. What we really want to do is allow your business to pull down 1 or 2 tables, have all the information they need there, and then go for it. And that's how we do that. We do that with SQL Views, which are no more than, I'm not going to show you too much because there's a fair bit of IP in here. But, as part of our subscription, you can say, hey, Kev, we want to do this. We'll give you our SQL View templates, tailor them a little bit for you as part of the service. And then when you connect Excel to your cloud database, which we've shown you how to do in a couple of other videos, then you can pull down something like the accounts receivable view, which is actually joining about 4 or 5 tables. Or a personal favorite of our clients is the Xero account transactions view, for example. And then when you pull that down, you don't have to pull down 10 or 15 tables. You just pull down 1 and boom, off you go. Now you can focus on presenting that data, using Excel to pull in revenue drivers if you want to do a cash flow, using it for what it's meant to be used as. And exactly the same thing goes for Power BI. Because we've got that SQL view at the database layer, we can now use Power BI as the tool which is meant to be, which is for visualization. Yes, it can do some relationship modeling, but generally in direct query mode, it's going to be generating these horrible SQL statements, running against your database, slowing it down, and then just causing frustration. So I hope that makes sense. It is probably the most complicated part in explaining how you can achieve 100% automated reporting, and explaining how you can get away from having 10 or 20 Power BI reports that are running slowly and need maintenance, and everybody's frustrated and dragging on columns, but it's dragging on another field. Just trust us. This is the way to go, and this is why we're here to help and guide you to that nirvana of end-user reporting, using reporting tools for just what they're meant to be used for. All right, hope you have an excellent day, and we'll chat to you soon. Cheers, bye-bye.